In this video we will learn how to do such work. Let's go. Hello again. After we open the Illustrator, we go directly to write text or a sentence. For me, I write LMTN. I select all and click to align for change. Place this sentence to middle. Go to Windows, Align, and here check here vertical align center, click, and here horizontal align center, click. You see, and change color this sentence to, for me I chose this orange, like this. Nice. Press here and go to effect. When we see 3D material, click here and choose Inflate. Nice, like this. Check Inflate both side and go to rotation, preset, change front to off axis front, and we go to bottom bar, material, choose lighting. After that we go to add shadow and behind object change to below object. We go to rotation and change rotation to 0 degree, like this. And the end, press on this icon to render with dry tracing here. And writing, click second. Nice, like this. And we go here and choose background. I choose like sky and click here, arrange and send to back. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you. See you another video. Thanks.